Oh, there went a tire.
The time has finally come. Probably the most popular trail at Jarrod's place is finished with the revamp. It is fully trail armored, and we're here for the grand opening. But first, I get the pleasure of helping my good friend Wes with his 6-year-old son. It's his first trip to the bike park, and I gotta say it was a success for him. He can't wait to come back.
Dude, that's awesome, Sawyer.
After doing that all morning and then lunch, it's time to warm up and get to riding. And I'm really sitting here trying to figure out how I've agreed to a simple green to kids eat free for a warm-up lap. And then I hear this from Andrew.
Well, I'll do one little spin and then otherwise full gas.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
And because I know Andrew generally likes to go a little slower so he can pull up higher, I'm giving my friend Dave a tow on this, along with it being my warm-up lap, so I kind of have to get Andrew going.
Yeah, boy. How was that?
I was too fast, then I was too slow, and then I boosted and I hit it perfectly.
Nice. Whoa.
Now it's time to get on to double wide. I did ride the top half. It was open last weekend, but this is my first lap on the lower section, and this happens.
Oh, there went a tire.
I think you'll be okay. I hope so.
If I'm here, I might as well hit senior discount while I wait on Andrew to fix his tire. And then finally, at the end of the day, I got that party train we were looking for on full double wide.
All right, Casey Salsa, we'll see you in a minute.
All right.
Free hop. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, keep going.
As you can see, the trail is amazing and can be ridden a bunch of different ways. A complete beginner could roll through this trail without any issues whatsoever, or an advanced rider can roll through it and have a great time. There's plenty of side options and different lines, and it just works out well. And with the trail armor in place, we'll be able to ride this trail year-round, rain, shine, it doesn't matter. The trail armor grips great even when wet. It does roll a little slower when wet, much like dirt does, but it'll be a full weather, full year experience. Hey, thanks for sticking around this long. I've got a new bike going to be delivered this next week. Something a little different you've never seen me on before, and maybe I'll see you there.
No, it was sick. It should make for good video, Jack.